I'm going to teach you the best way to harvest your Amazon PPC discovery campaigns, such as your auto, broad, phrase, etc. There's a few criteria that we're going to use that is going to promise results, and I promise it's going to help a lot. I'm Dylan Heathcote from AMZ Joy. Let's jump into the video. Okay, starting off, we're going to head over to our campaign manager. In campaign manager, you're going to hover over the left-hand side, measurement and reporting, sponsored ads reports. I want you to click create report, keep it as sponsored products, search term, summary, and then for the report period, go as far back as possible before you can't select any further. So for me, it's the 5th of December. Select that date to the most recent or the day before yesterday. It's just a habit of mine. Run this report, and this will give us all the search term data of what those keywords are actually selling for or appearing for. So I've already gone ahead and downloaded this file. So here it is open in Excel, and there's a few filters that we're going to add straight off the bat. I'm going to select everything, Control A, filter. We're going to head over to the column match type. I'm going to remove exact. The reason we're doing this is because we just want to find search terms that are in those discovery campaigns, such as broad, phrase, and auto. Because your exact match is exact match. That's what the search term is going to be. I mean, it could be a plural version, but we're not going to get into politics here. Okay, so once you do that, head over to the columns near the end, and this is the magic right here. So most people will say, look at your 7-day total orders. And for anyone that's new to this report, it's not 7 days. It's actually doing the full time frame or the reporting period that we selected. So it's going to show all orders in that time frame. So most other people recommend setting 7-day total orders to 1 and above, 2 and above, etc., and then messing with ACOS and all that type of stuff. What we want to do is head over to 7-day advertised SKU units. This means that the search term actually converted for the SKU/ASIN that we're advertising for. 7-day total orders or total orders doesn't do that. Orders can also appear if they looked at this ad originally and then clicked onto another product and purchased it. So this is way more accurate. And then what I recommend doing for the filters is doing greater than or equal to 2. And we pretty much have our results here. So we'll head over to the column that is customer search term. So these are what we're actually targeting in broad, phrase, etc. right here. And then these are the customer search terms that were actually clicked and led to these 2 conversions. Now, you can take these and then create exact match campaigns with them. If you want to go to a step further with some of these is, first you can look at the clicks and impressions. If you see one with, let's say, 43 impressions and 3 clicks, that's quite low data. So you can use a tool like Helium 10 or Search Query Performance or Product Opportunity Explorer, put these keywords in and just double check the search volume. And another thing that you should be doing with all of these is in customer search term, go through the entire list and make sure that they're actually relevant to your product. Because you may have some in there that have brand names, like competitor brand names, or just things that aren't relevant, and just remove those. So clean up this list. I promise you, this will help a lot and it will lead to a lot more results with your Amazon PPC. Thank you for watching. I'm Dylan Heathcote from AMZ Joy.